Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by claiming minimal prerequisites: an AWS account, an IAM user with secure keys and MFA, plus billing enabled. Next, create a code commit repository or connect GitHub, provision an S3 artifact bucket, and an ECR image repository if you build containers. Once done, configure your pipeline trigger, push to main or merge to trigger. Make sure to tag branches consistently and store secrets in Secrets Manager. This gets you moving fast, so the build steps can run immediately and reliably. You wire the core, configure CodeBuild with a build spec. YAML that runs unit tests, builds artifacts, and pushes to ECR or S3. Then compose code pipeline stages: source, build, test, deploy, and optional manual approval. Use CloudFormation or CDK to define infrastructure as code and deploy stacks per environment, so deployments are repeatable. Once tests pass, have CodePipeline invoke CloudFormation change sets or a CDK deploy. Make sure to add artifact encryption and build caching to optimize speed and cost. You finalize by enabling monitoring: CloudWatch metrics, logs, alarms, and X-ray traces so you can observe deployments. Deploy with blue/green or canary approaches and set automatic rollback on failure using CloudFormation or deployment preferences. Once live, validate endpoints and run smoke tests. If something breaks, check CodeBuild logs first, then IAM role permissions and S3 or ECR artifact paths. Often a missing permission or wrong artifact key is the culprit. Make sure to version templates, then rerun the pipeline after fixes.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.